All right, so anytime that you're folding, you really want to kind of take your time and put some care into it. You're going to end up with a much better product at the end if you do that. Okay, so to fold a paper dart airplane, we're going to start by folding it along the long way. Okay, so we're going to bring one edge, this entire edge of the paper right here, all the way to this other edge. And before we fold, we always line everything up. So you see, I've got this corner right here, those two meet. Then I've got this corner, those two meet. And now I'm ready to fold. I'm gonna go ahead and press down. To get a nice clean fold, I can use the edge of my nail, get a nice clean fold. There we go. Now that's a center line. I need the center line in order to make the next fold, which is a diagonal fold. I'm gonna bring this corner down here, right to the center of fold, and this edge is gonna line up right along the center. So it's gonna look something like this. I'm holding it there, line everything up, then fold. I'm gonna repeat the same thing on the other side. I like to rotate my paper around a little bit so it's easier. Okay, got it there. Now fold. Remember, always line everything up first, then fold. Okay, now that we have that done, we're gonna actually fold it one more time. This edge right along that center line that we have here. So here we go. Should come to a nice point here at the end. Remember, take your time. Once you have it, press it firmly to make a nice fold and repeat on the other side. Should come to a nice point. And there it is. So now you should have something that looks kind of like that. We're almost done. Now we're gonna fold the paper back in half like we had it. And this is gonna be the view. We're looking at the airplane from the side. So we just have to fold the wings now. And to fold the wings, we're gonna fold this edge down up against the base, bringing it to a point right here again. So it's gonna look something like this. Right here. Once you have it all lined up, press down. That's one side, flip it over. Do the same thing on the other side. And you now have a dart paper airplane that's ready to fly.